create a platform where the halal businesses can connect with their consumers. There is no place in the whole world where you will find over 150 exhibitors all serving halal food. And that's the concept and the idea we wanted to bring to the community and other communities. American food, all the foods such as hot dogs and burgers, which are traditionally non-halal, are now being made halal, and they have shot through the roof with regards to sales.
Hello there, we are Oshpaz team. We are just planning to bring our Central Asian cuisine, which is our favorite loaf. Rich of rice, beautiful flavors, raisins. So we hope that we're gonna have our history in UK.
What I want people to take out of my food is just a different experience and eating good quality halal meat that has been smoked for 12 to 16 hours using oak wood that we source from the US. We source our meat as well from the US just to make sure that everybody has the same experience as you would if you were to travel to Texas and try some brisket or some short ribs.
When we saw the options for non-alcoholic options were very limited, so we started with the mojito and then the strawberry daiquiri, a pina colada and then an old fashioned. Customers really love the concept and they love the idea that they can access mocktails easy now. Ready-made, ready to drink, in a bottle.
The halal food market is a real untapped economy. So what we need to do is take a step back and look how we can help these halal businesses break into the mainstream.